Hello folks, today I'm gonna attempt to install this dash mount from ICS Fab. The build quality is top notch. It looks like it's CNC machined. I have a 2021 Chevy Silverado LT 3500 HD dually with bench seat. This is a 7mm. There's one screw here. Move it. And then you pull on it. I'm on this side. Oh man. So there's a torque screw here. You gotta remove this one. There's another one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This one here. T15. Okay, next it looks like I can't access this part from here, so I would have to remove just about all of the panels here. So I'm going to remove this. This is a dash instrumentation, guess hood. Okay. Okay, so you have to just pry this part here, and you could you open this. Okay, well, there's 2 more. One more here. This is a fuse panel. 2 more T15 screws. Where is this from? Came off from somewhere. I don't know where. I'll figure it out later. Ooh. Okay, once you remove that, you have another 3 screws. Ooh. course, there's one more here. You remove these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips head machine screws. You place this like that. So this is a double-sided tape, and there's not enough room for me to get my hand in there and put the washer and the nuts. So I'm gonna stick this double-sided tape, and I'm gonna stick it underside of the dashboard. Hopefully this will hold, and I'll be put it like that. I want to see if I could hold this. Okay. Use a double-sided tape, just like that. All right, it worked. Put this wrench.
Tape, double-sided tape. Stick it on the washer. Get to the second one.
You need a short, stubby Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, here it is. That was a job. 1-inch ball mount. Okay. Alright guys, it looks professional if you ask me. I only have GoPro mounted right now, but down the line I may mount something else.